People ask me how I got the idea for Our Best Marriage, and it actually started with my own wedding. Here I was, I'd been with this great man for years, and we got engaged. I'd been with him so long, we knew it was the next step for us, but during the engagement, I started to freak out a little. It was weird. I'd been with Patrick for years, I wasn't confused about that. I'd been an event planner, I knew how to throw a party. I wasn't confronted by that part. But when you're dealing with planning a wedding, it's not the dress that stresses you out per se, it's all the other stuff. It's how you feel about your body and what type of image you want to project and how you want to feel about yourself, how much money you'll spend on yourself. It's not about the invitations that worries you, it's about how to balance or choose between friends and family and how we define ourselves as a couple and who and what is important to us. Now, I was really fortunate because I've been a professional coach for years, so I have all these great coaching colleagues, and they were supporting me. I got through the challenging emotional piece, but I realized I was far from the only one who had these issues. So I took my experience as a bride, and I started to pair it with all the tools I've used as a coach for years. I mean, I've worked with everyone from executives at Fortune 500 companies to creative artists just starting their careers. And everyone, all along the way, is dealing with relationships somewhere. How to make them easier or more exciting, how to communicate or just get along better on a day-to-day basis. So whether it's your boss or your sister, there are some of the same tools. But with your spouse, it's the closest relationship you have. And you spend more time with them than with anyone else, and more intimately. So you're creating a life together, and of course, tools for relationship are going to be most important right there. So these programs are a combination of my experience as a bride, plus my experience as an event planner, plus my years as a coach. It's about using this incredible opportunity you have of being engaged, of knowing you are starting this new life together and creating something on purpose. Starting yourself off with all the tools that people only wish they had. Why wait and hope you figure something out on your own when they're all right there? Basically, I've written the program I wish I had when I was the bride. Then, of course, my company also has these awesome coaches to work with, and you and your fiance can work with them one-on-one so that the material is really personalized and gives you the chance to get great individual attention and discuss things that are specific to you. The Our Best Marriage coaches are all amazing and work with people all over the country. Then there's my favorite thing, the retreats. Getting a limited number of engaged couples together in a completely gorgeous place and doing this work is so amazing. It's a complete gift for me. I get to work with everyone myself, and people leave feeling closer than ever, having more answers than ever, and having had this incredible time making all these great memories. Plus, they get to be with good friends, and they get to be good friends with the other couples, so they have this expanded support network by the time they leave. It's totally amazing. Besides, who doesn't like a nice glass of champagne on the beach, right? So that's how this whole thing started and where it's come to now. It's a complete privilege to offer you this material. I hope you enjoy it.